Okay guys, so I just wanted to make a HD remake of the fan in the great room because people were talking and it wasn't very good. So there's the one in the loft. 4-speed rotary. Turned all the way down to low. I think the way it goes, since both the fans go really fast on the supposed medium-low speed, I'm thinking that the quote-unquote medium-low is supposed to be medium, and then the quote-unquote medium is supposed to be medium-high. Because on that first speed after high, it goes really fast. That's on high right now. Because it's extremely hot up there. Even that low is really fast. Every fan in this house, except for the one on the Four Seasons porch off the master bedroom, have black motors, meaning that they're like maybe from the early to mid 90s, possibly. Someone commented saying that this was a new-tone decorator. It's not, because the newer new-tone decorators have Casablanca style, Panama style blade brackets, but these do not. These have the standard, just standard ceiling fan brackets. It's quite a difference there. This is the second speed. Or the third, or the third speed coming up from low. All the way to high. It's really moving the air around. Does a pretty good job. GE vent. You can already probably tell that, so. Okay, thanks for watching.